We're here at 3676 Eagle Way in Windover Farms, and we're holding one of our first open houses since the pandemic. Now, we're taking every necessary precaution to ensure that guests are safe when they go through the home. Everything from signups to having Kyle out at the street to help, manage the people that are parking. This is gonna be something different than other open houses, but it's the best thing we can do to make sure everyone is safe. Open houses are used for a variety of reasons. Sometimes sellers just want them as an extra way to market a home. Sometimes sellers want them because that's how they see value. Sometimes agents want to do them so they can get neighbors to list their home with them. But sometimes it's used as part of a strategy, just like today's event.
So one thing I've been learning from Shane and the rest of the Carpenter Castle team is that there's no detail that's too small. So something as simple as even just an open house sign can make a world of difference if it's done properly.
Now, specifically with this property, something I really appreciated is the amount of time the sellers gave us to market their home and develop a well thought out strategies. What we wanted to do was eliminate that inconvenience of multiple showings, meaning sellers have to get out of their house to accommodate a showing, come back, get out, take the dogs, that whole thing. So the plan has always been, from the day that we signed the paperwork, to go live on a Friday in the evening and then host that open house the following Saturday from 12 to 3. That window would be allowed to accommodate anyone that wants to come through the home during that time, and then we will take agent showings beyond that into Sunday, and if we have multiple offers, we're gonna be making a decision come Monday. Now, one thing we know right now is that the market is favoring sellers, which one might say you don't even need to do the open house and you'll still get multiple offers. Now, that might be true, but our team, our goal has been and always will be to maximize exposure and ensure we have a contract with the highest amount of deal certainty. This is why we develop custom tailored marketing strategies for all of our listings. It's why we plan accordingly for everything, and it's how we're able to end up with results like this.